Hi, I'm Marna, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel. And on June 6th, Stella's Miniworld and I did a collab showing you how to make Baby Alive a little dress and a bonnet. Today we're going to show you how to make a diaper and a bib. And I made mine matching, and I made mine reversible, and I'm going to show you how. For the diaper, I want to make it reversible and I want to make it waterproof. So I buy these thinner wash rags at Walmart. I don't know, there's like 12 in a packet and they're like $4 or something. These are real handy, and I promise you it's cheaper than buying terry cloth by the yard. It's not great, but for doll crafts, it's fantastic. And if you need a quick wash rag, or if you need a rag that's disposable, there you go. Or you don't care if it's dirty next time you washed it. What I did was I took the wash rag and I cut it in half. I'm going to cut this tag off real quick. I cut it in half so that when I get ready to do my reversible waterproof diapers, I'm going to need 2 sides of terry cloth. And I took that half and I held it up to the doll, and I decided how much. Let's do it this way so you can see it. I used green so that you could see this better. Normally for this kind of fabric I would have used white, and I probably will use white on the elephant side. And then I just kind of played with it till I decided where I wanted that cut off, and as you could see I did a little at a time. So I have this now down to where I want it for the doll size, and what I'm going to do is pinch that up around the doll like this, and then I'm going to take a pin, a straight pin, and I'm going to mark the dolls where the leg meets the body on each side. And what I'm going to do is I am then going to round that out. Okay, this is what I have. And what I did, yes, I left that a little over. I might cut a little bit more out of here, but as you can see, I was very slow when I took it out, little by little. And like I said, I might take a little bit more here, but now this becomes my pattern. And after I iron this, what I will do is I will leave extra at both ends, top or back and front. I will line this up, but what I want is this to come out so that the Velcro will then hook. So I'm going to leave that about 1/2 to 3/4 inches larger than my terry cloth. I'm going to iron this and then I'm going to cut it out. I will cut the other side of my terry cloth using this as a pattern. And then I will cut this out, leaving it, like I said, a little wider. I used to make a lot of camping and hiking and backpacking equipments, and I started buying this. To be honest, I can't think of the name of it, but you'll know it in the store. It's waterproof. Ask for waterproof or water-resistant fabric. I got out the orange just to show you. What we're going to do is we're going to cut one piece of the waterproof fabric, and then that goes between your 2 pieces of the absorbent terry cloth. But on the outside will be gray on one side and the elephant on the other. Okay, to make reversible diapers and bibs that are waterproof, you need 5 layers. You have the one side, your absorbent fabric, which I'm using terry cloth, you're waterproof, and then the same going the other direction. And we are going to lay this all out and pin it down nice and neat. I wanted to say too, if you wanted to, you could take Wonder Under and cut out one of the little elephants and put that on the butt. Oh, that would be cute. But I decided not to, because the little gray bonnet could be worn with something else. And I thought, well, maybe they want the gray diaper with whatever else they're wearing. And I was going to put the elephant on the bib, but now that I think about it, I think I'm just going to leave it plain so that this could become or worn with a whole different dress. I'm going to take yellow double folded bias tape, and I'm going to go around this entire edge with a zigzag stitch. When you get to the corners, you have to manipulate this to turn. And it's not often easy or pretty, but just keep going. It'll work out in the end. And then and I meant to tell you, don't forget to cut your two both sides, top and bottom, front and back, a little wider than the rest so that you can add your Velcro there. There is a front and a back to the bias tape. The front side, you can see the back overlay. Can you see that, how it lays? And you work from the front so that you know that the back is being stitched down. However, it'll still get off once in a while. That's why I recommend a zigzag stitch so that you catch everything. As much as I like to use fabric as close to the edge and save as much as I can for other projects, sometimes you do have to go right in the middle because of your print. And on the bib, we want this cute elephant front and center. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my bowl and I'm going to put his feet, can you see under here? I'm going to take his little feet and put them as close to the edge, remembering that I will put this all around the edge. And then I will draw around my bowl. This is just a cereal bowl. It's an oversized bib for the doll, but that's perfect because it's going to be waterproof. And then I'm taking a cup and I'm cutting my neck, and I want to go right above the elephant so that it's straight on the bib. What I'm cutting here is the neck. So there you go, there's your bib pattern. And what you will do is cut this out, and then you'll cut your back for the reverse. You'll cut two pieces of absorbent fabric and one piece of the waterproof fabric. And this goes directly in the middle with an absorbent layer on either side of it, and then your front and your back. Okay, here's her little I love the elephant on the butt. The little reversible diaper that is waterproof and padded. And she can wear this with, well, anything you want. If you had a different dress that had some gray in it. And then it also has the little elephant reversible, oh, a little something on there still. Little reversible bib. This time, rather than tying it, I did add Velcro to the back. It just pinches shut there. And this can be worn in either direction too. So here she is with her little diaper and her little elephants, and I am pleased. I do like it. I like that it's reversible. Washing your waterproof piece is fine. Drying it in the clothes dryer is not. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.